Hi guys, welcome back to another one of my videos. In today's video it's an exciting one for me. I'm gonna be showing my LS swap progress. So today we were outside, we worked on the car, it was a beautiful day out. So let's jump right into the video. Thank you. So this was just a quick video of a time lapse of me installing my engine today. I know it was quick, but in my next video I'm going to show the finished product of me installing it and as to what's left to come on the car. So I just want to give a quick thank you to all my friends and family that have subscribed to me and have watched a lot of my videos. I appreciate it. And they're staring at me right now on the other side of this camera and it's extremely awkward. But thank you guys. And hopefully I can give some more good content. I know there's a lot of good things on the way with my car, and I can't wait to share them with you guys. So thank you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.